Hi everyone, it's Artist from Carpentry and Construction Limited. Today's video is actually the sad one. So, as you can see, what's behind me. Long story short, those who haven't seen it, a year ago my original engine on this van went. Supposedly it was cracked piston, and supposedly again it's a known issue with these engines, 2.2 litre Euro 5s. Or common fault, if you like. So this happened literally 2 days ago. On Saturday, we now Monday bank holiday. An engine went again. On the weekend, I was just driving home, from food shopping, and I had the same problem where there was loss of power, and it struggled to drive. I managed to get sort of home because it wasn't far from home, but yeah, the engine is toast. So why I'm making this video to start with is the reconditioned engine was bought from the eBay. I don't think I can tell you who it was, but I'm just telling you that it is from eBay, place which does quality reconditioned engines. Obviously they don't, because I only had it serviced and MOT'd last week. Oh no, 2 weeks ago, sorry, prior to this happening. So obviously it's bloody frustrating, but I just don't have time, and I don't really want to be spending that money again of getting a new engine, because it just takes too long. Last time it took me too long because the garage I used was busy, and there's not many garages who can get the long wheelbase and high roof one in my area anyway, so I'm kind of limited to where I can take it to. So that's why I've decided it's going to be for sale. I'll just show you a bit around it. So obviously it's not brand new. There are some light scratches. It will need a polish, but it's got brand new tires, all season tires. As you can see, they're pretty much brand new. It's got year-old brake discs. It's got new drive shafts from last year. It's got also new bearings, both from bearings. I must say the pads squeak a little bit, but that's obviously that's because of the pads. So it's got locks fitted. It's gonna have racking in as well. So there's a little, let me unlock it. There's a little dent here. You'll see there's a little dent there, and there's one somewhere on the back as well. Little dent in the door somewhere. Where was it? A little one there. There's a little scratch. Now, if you can see that. And there's one there. But apart from that, let me see. I'll open it for you guys so you can see. So there's racking. I'm cleaning out slowly, so it will be cleaned out obviously. You're not gonna have stuff in there, but yeah. So I'm gonna leave racking in. If someone wants to use it or has a potential to put a new engine in and knows someone reliable who can do it for them, then I think that would be the way to go. It's just I don't have time and money for it anymore, because yeah, I can't afford another £10,000 bill. So it's gonna come with the receipts as well to prove that I did put an engine in, and we put the clutch in. It's got new clutch, new rocker cover, new it had reconditioned injectors in. The only thing what we left was turbo, that because that was okay, so that's why I didn't change that. So I didn't think it needed, but yeah, as you can see, it was pushing again as it was previously out of the oil filler cap, so oil's gone everywhere. I think it still starts, but you can't really drive it. I think it's just gonna seize. So gearbox was fine as well, that's working fine, no issues with that. I'll show you inside. I will be tidying up, but I always had these seat covers on, so seats are like brand new upholstery. can see they're like brand new. They've never been used without the upholstery, without the covers, sorry, not upholstery. So yes, interior can be, you know, cleaned up and it'll be like brand new, so that's not an issue. So yeah, the seats are clean. The only thing probably what's there is just a bit of dust. So mileage, we are now on 63,372, and my original engine died at 58,300 miles. So I've done 5,000 miles on a reconditioned engine, so a year, just under a year. But as I mentioned, I just don't have patience anymore, and I just spent too much money already on a van, so I need to let it go and move on. I'm probably just going to be leasing now, because yeah, I don't have a garage, I don't have skill to do the engines myself, or to, you know, I think it's ideal for someone who knows what goes into the engine and they can fix it themselves. But for me, unfortunately, that's not the case. As you know, it was nearly £10,000 bill last time for me, and it's not worth it for me doing it anymore. So the plate is not going to be staying. I'm going to take plate off. The original plate is CY16CDK, so it's going to be going back onto that original plate. It is a non-runner, so you're going to have to come and get it on a flatbed if you are interested. The price, I've seen one 1 year younger, I think, with a vet belt. This is the chain. It's not a vet belt, it's 2.2 litre Euro 5. This is 125 brake version of it. So yeah, it's going to be for sale. We'll put in the description the price, but I think it's going to be in the region of 3,500. Racking will be there. It's obviously ply lined, as you've seen in the back. And yeah, so let me try to start it. Maybe it will start, maybe not. It still starts, but you can hear it runs rough. It's not liking it. As you can see, engine goes bananas. It's all shaking. But it starts. But yeah, you can't drive it, because as I was driving here, it's pushing the oil out of breather. And yeah, it's just no good. So now I need to find the van. I don't really want to go secondary market, because it's so full of crap vehicles as well. So yeah, you're more than welcome, make offers. It's going to be cash on collection or transfer, back transfer. No PayPal, no, nothing like that. I don't need another aggro. So hopefully my lesson will serve someone and save someone lots of money. Fortunately, it didn't save me. It just cost me, seemed to be costing me. So yeah, I hope it's been informative, and we'll catch up in the next videos.